Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I miss y'all. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a review on the Naked Honey palette from Urban Decay. I've been so excited to review this, and I'm so happy I got the chance to finally review it. But first, we gotta talk about my absence. I'm so sorry that I've been absent on YouTube for 2 weeks. I just been hella busy with work. I work at Ulta now, and I received some gratis. So if you guys want to see what I got from gratis, I could do a gratis haul for you guys if you want. Like this video to see if you want it. So yeah. So far I love working at Ulta so far. I love seeing the new makeup coming in, talking to customers about makeup. It's been a good experience so far, and it's been one of my favorite jobs. So I hope this shit lasts. I'm tired. No, I really am tired. It's 3:30 in the fucking morning right now. The fuck? Anyway, I'm sorry that you can see my hairs and shit. I don't feel like shaving. Shaving has been such a bitch, to be honest. Like, I hate shaving every fucking day. But I'm gonna have to shave tomorrow because I'm going on a date with my boyfriend. And yes, bitch, a bitch got a boyfriend. Let's see how long this is gonna last, bitch. But yeah, anyway, let me stop talking my shit and get into the review of the Miss Naked Honey palette. Alright guys, so this is how the box looks. Bitch, this box. This packaging. So fucking stunning. It's like a gold bar dripping in honey. I live for it. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, the brush fell. But yeah, these are all the colors of the Naked Honey palette. It looks so cute, right? I love like the, what really drawed me in low-key was the shade Honey right here, which is like this goldish yellow color. I live for it. But I'm gonna swatch some colors for you guys. You know how, you know the drill. Like, I like to swatch a couple colors just so you guys could get the gist of the palette. So let's swatch Amber right here. It was real buttery. Ooh, it looks really good, like a brownish orange gold, like a burnt honey shimmer. Really cute. Let's do Honey, which is my highlight of the palette. Look at that. Wow, it looks so wet. Okay, it's a little sheen. It's not as pigmented as Amber. And yeah, let's swatch a matte. So let's do Sting, which is the last color and is the darkest color of the palette. It was a little powdery. Let me wipe that off. So this is what it looks like. Let's see. Ooh, it's a good pigment. You know, it's not too patchy. It's not too shit. It's really good. Period, poo. So yeah, without further ado, let's get it cracking. So to start this base off, I'm gonna prime my eyeshadow with the Urban Decay Primer Potion in the shade Eden. Y'all already know I love this fucking primer. And it's so weird because they're both Urban Decay. So like, damn bitch, period. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do something different on my channel. I'm gonna do a cut crease, like a full cut crease today. I'm gonna try to do something different because I miss y'all and I really wanna show y'all who the baddest perra is, the baddest bitch. So let's get it cracking. So yeah, I'm gonna take the shade Drip right here, and this is on the Morphe M433, and I'm just gonna pack it on, not where my outer V is, like towards like right here, and blend it into my crease. Guys, the next color I'm gonna take is the shade Keeper right here. I'm gonna probably mix it with the shade Swarm right here, just so I can blend it out, like the where I put Drip. like above where I put drip even more so I can have like a seamless blend, no harsh lines, you know, stuff like that. So let's get it working. So the next step is I'm gonna cut my crease using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is my favorite trick of all time because this is pigmented enough to actually use it as a cut crease. So yeah, that's what I love to do. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. You just start right here, do the corner, and make sure if you have hooded eyes, you just gotta make sure you do it above your crease so it doesn't look like flappy, or you can still see that, like you can still see the primer potion. So yeah. And from there, you just fill it in. Up like this on like what I did on this eye, just go back in with those like Swarm and Keeper shade and then just like blend it out just so it could be like, so you won't see the primer potion. I kind of fucked up on this side too, which is annoying, but I mean this side is killing it, so I'm gonna just keep it with this side. So anyway, to do the like glitter shimmer fantasy, I'm gonna take the shade Honey right here and just do it where I put the white at. So I'm gonna lick it a little. I'm gonna be a little dirty bitch. Like a little tap. I forgot my setting spray. Just swipe it in. I'm gonna do a gradient moment. So for the outer, like right here, I'm gonna take the shade Amber right here and just put it where I put like that little swoop at. So for my inner, like right here, like right next to Honey, I'm gonna take the shade HBIC and mix it with a little bit of Flyby just for that brightness. So now for the wing, I'm gonna take this NYX matte liquid eyeliner, and I'm not gonna do any wing. I'm gonna try to do like this little trendy wing type of thing that people have been doing as like a wing, and then it goes into the crease. So I'm gonna try my best to do that. I always want to fucking do that. Let's see if we can make it happen today. Fingers crossed. Hope I can do it. Hope I don't fuck up, but let's see. Okay guys, so this is the final look. How do you guys feel about it? I tried to do something different. I bought new lashes today, which I'm excited about. I bought the Ardell. Disgusting. I bought the Ardell the double up lashes. I have to cut them. Don't judge me, period. But yeah, I hope you guys like this look. I tried my best. Like, it's hot as fuck, you know the drill. I tried to do something different. You know, Poppington. But yeah, how I feel about this palette, I feel like it's a pretty good palette, you know? The darker colors are low-key harder to blend. I was struggling a little bit to blend them out low-key. Like, Drip was really hard for me to blend, in my opinion. I don't know if you guys have this palette and you guys like could vouch for me and you know, bitch, it was hard to blend, or I just suck at eyeshadow. But yeah, like I would give this palette an A, like a solid A, you know? Like it's really good. Honey, I'm really upset about this shade because it really did take a lot for it to build up. It's kind of like a sheer shimmer. Like it's not really like pigmented like Amber was, you know? Like Honey was really, I had to layer it on. Amber, one swipe and it was good. So yeah, I mean, this palette is good. It's a lot like, now that I'm looking at it, the colors is like, you could do different styles of eyes, but it's gonna be the same colors. Cause like it's not a lot of variety, but that's you know, that's what the Naked palettes are, you know? Like you don't get a lot of variety. Unless like, you know, like you don't get a lot of variety in the colors. You could do different styles, like what I did today. I saw videos about it and I saw each person did a different style of eyeshadow, but they still have the same color. Well, like what I did, like a lot of people use Honey, a lot of people use Drip, you know, like it's not a lot of colors for me to choose from. It's not really versatile, but it is versatile, like the eyeshadow style, obviously, because each people got their own style. But I hope that makes sense. I'm sorry guys, it's fucking 4 o'clock in the morning and I wanted to make a comeback video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, I'll rate this palette. It's passable. This palette is passable. Will I be using it every day of my life? No. But it's really good in my opinion. Like I like it, you know. I like the colors. And yeah. I love the packaging. Oh my god, it's so stunning. This is my first Naked palette. I have the Naked one, but I give it to my mom because me and Cool Tones don't mix, you know. But yeah, I love this palette though. I'm low-key thinking about getting the Naked Heat palette. I know I'm like late on the train, but I really want it all of a sudden. I don't know. Should I get the Naked Heat? It's a lot of money. Girl, I'm probably not gonna get it. Anyway, let me stop talking shit in this video. Anyway, so if you guys like this video, you already know what time to do, honey. Give me a big old that. Okay, guys? I love you guys so much and I miss you guys. I can't wait to upload more, okay? So yeah, I love you guys so much. Yeah, I love you, my moon babies.